If you do airbrushing and airbrush painting, you might need a flow improver so that it gives you more time to work with the paint and it gives a better finish and also blends better. The company was kind enough to send me a sample of this. I have used their varnish. I really like it. This is a 8.45 fluid ounce bottle, so this is a pretty good size. There's other things that you can use this for though, besides just in the air brush. You can use it like if you paint acrylic painting, you mix just a couple drops in with your paint and it helps to flow better. It helps so that you can blend better and it gives you more time to work with it and get your colors blended before it dries. So it kind of slows down the drying time. It also gives you a much smoother finish so that you don't see the brush marks. So this has instructions on how to use. This is water-based. It's for acrylic paint brushes. You could also use it for cleaning your paint brushes. And it says to adjust the ratio as needed if you're using it for airbrush painting. So it says mix a small amount. When I looked it up, it only said like 1 to 2 drops. You really don't need a lot, but this will help when you're airbrushing. It will keep the airbrush from clogging, so, and give a smoother finish. So I would give this a try.